A pleasant good afternoon to all. Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha, formerly known as Puttur Education Society, was established on 23rd of December 1915. Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha has been the forerunner in the field of education in the coastal region of Karnataka. We are proud to say that when we are the one unit of Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha. So we are going to move on to the cultural program now.
Namaste Vaishnavi.
Namaste Sarthak.
I think you are in a hurry. Where are you going?
I am going to Vivekananda English Medium School. It's going to be a fun day. There is annual day celebration. Aren't you coming?
Actually, I too should be there. Vivekananda English Medium School is a prestigious institution which is well known throughout the country by its accomplishments.
Yes, you are right. It is an esteemed institution.
What's so special today?
There are varieties of programs like dance performance, songs, dramas, exhibition and instrumental play. It's the chance for students to showcase their talents and enjoy the day with friends.
Are you performing?
Yes, actually, I am the part of cultural program. I am performing a dance. I am really excited about it. What about you?
I too want to be the part of the program.
Then why to delay? Let's start.
Let's run towards the celebration. Just see the excitement of this crowd.
Yes, the crowd is much awaited to watch today's cultural program. So,
A cordial welcome to the annual day celebration.
Each and every program begins with the rendition of God. Let's seek the blessings of God through Puja Nritya.
Education is a manifestation of perfection which is already existed in the man. By Swami Vivekananda.
ಮಗರಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸುಂದರಿ ಸರಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಗುರು ಗುಹಸ ಉಪಮೇಶಿ ದೇವ ಶಂಕರಿ ಗುರು ಗುಹಸ ಉಪಮೇಶಿ ದೇವ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ.
It's a wonderful performance, isn't it?
Yes.